As you know, I have a home here in Aldona, and we've had the home for many years, and I have been here throughout the lockdown. And the love and affection from all the villagers and all the neighbors has been so good, whether it has been in food, it has been in supplies. I have not felt the lockdown difficult because of the love and affection of all the villagers. So I want to thank all my neighbors in Aldona village and the Sarpanch and the entire Panchayat for the way they have organized and managed everything through lockdown. It's very, very commendable. My company is the world's leading homeopathic clinic company. We are the biggest in the world. And I called the Sarpanch and told him I would like to give these medicines to the people of Aldona. This medicine is recommended by the Ayush Ministry. This is a homeopathic medicine called Arsenic Alp 30, and it is recommended by the Ayush Ministry as a immunity booster against coronavirus. The Ayush Minister is also from Goa, Honorable Shripad Nayak ji, and he has also been distributing this medicine to many different. I think he was in Aldona also some time ago. He gave it to the pilots of the motorcycles and the taxi drivers. So I have contributed 3,500 bottles for all the families in Aldona, and I hope that this medicine can keep them safe and can raise their immunity. It is not a vaccine against coronavirus, but it helps you build your immunity so that you don't get affected by the virus. If your immunity is strong, then you don't get affected by the virus. So these medicines have to be taken for 3 days every month. So if you start taking it tomorrow, you take 1 dose tomorrow. 1 dose is 4 pills. So you're supposed to open the bottle like this. You're supposed to take the pills not in your hand. You're supposed to take it in the cap, and you're supposed to put it under your tongue first thing in the morning. And after you take these medicines, you wait half an hour and then eat or drink anything. You repeat the same for 3 days. So if tomorrow is a Tuesday, you take it on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then you stop. This covers you for 1 month. Next month you do the same again. And there are enough pills in this bottle for a family for quite some time. So that is one. And second, obviously, is that we must always follow the direction of the government, and we must keep social distancing, and we must follow normal hygiene procedures. I'm sure that we will all overcome this pandemic very soon, and I'm hoping for healthy and happier times for everyone. So, thank you.
What is the room temperature that these medicines have to maintain? Because people do not, some of them will keep in the fridge, some of them will keep it just like open.
Thank you. Good question. So, all you have to do is you have to seal this bottle, okay, nicely, tightly, and you have to keep it in a cool, dry place. So anywhere between 20 to 30, 35 degrees means a room which is cool with a fan is also okay. You just keep it in the cupboard or somewhere away from direct sunlight and away from too much heat, and that is all. It's a good question.
What is the duration of this medicine?
So like I said, this medicine you have to take 4 pills every day for 3 days consecutively. So day 1, day 2, day 3, all one after each other. Then you stop. And after 1 month, you take it again the same way. 4 pills for 3 days. So today is what is the day? 27th today. So if you start on 28th, 29th, 30th, if you take it 28th, 29th, 30th of July, again you repeat 28th, 29th, 30th of August.
So monthly?
Monthly. And in case corona is still prevalent, then you take it again September.
The second question is that, is there any side effects?
No side effects to this medicine at all. It's a safe medicine. It is recommended by the Ayush Ministry. This is not my recommendation, but the Ayush Ministry has issued a circular, and they have recommended all people to take this homeopathic remedy. So it has been recommended by the scientific committee of the Ayush Ministry, and it has no side effects.
Okay, what we have observed is that people have apprehensions in the mind, fear in the mind that without being awareness of this medicine, we are directly insisting that people should take this medicine. Although it is homeopathic, people say it is good.
Yeah.
But like polio and other vaccines, there was huge awareness. Whereas these medicines, absolutely, we don't see any awareness is being done. What's your say on this?
So my say on this is that, like I said, this is not a vaccine, okay? And a vaccine is still in the making. We know that trials are being done for the vaccine. It could take up to 3 months to 6 months for a vaccine to come out. So up till the time you get a vaccine, what do? You have to do something to keep yourself healthy. Secondly, while this medicine has not been proven for coronavirus, because what happens is currently this medicine my company is looking to do clinical trials to prove its efficacy. But as you know, there is a process for clinical trials and it takes a few months to do, right? So while we are doing clinical trials on this, the result will come after a few months. Now we don't want to waste time during that period. The third thing is that homeopathic medicines have been used for pandemics for many years. Whether it was for the Spanish flu, whether it was for encephalitis which happened in Andhra Pradesh where the government gave homeopathy. So homeopathy has been used for many years as a preventive medicine. The whole idea is that homeopathy believes that it has to boost your immunity. And when your immunity is strong, then the virus cannot affect you. To go back to your question about side effects, to make a little joke, the only side effect of this medicine is that if I take it, I should not think I'm Superman and I should take out my mask and take out my gloves and go meeting people. So that's why I say that it is not a vaccine, it is only a immunity boosting medicine. Please, even if you take this medicine, please follow all the norms recommended by the government. So please follow your hygiene protocols, please make sure that you wear your mask and your gloves, and please see that all the places are sanitized regularly.
My last question is the age group for this? Children, same dose and others?
The same dose is for children and for others as well. This can be taken at any age group, right from newborn children. The only recommendation is children below 6 months of age. Don't give them the pills directly. Just take a teaspoon of water, put the pills in the water. When it dissolves, then make them drink that water. But up to any age you can take this medicine. If you are taking medicine for diabetes, for thyroid, any other problem, you can carry on taking this medicine. Just keep a gap of half an hour. Have this first thing in the morning, okay? And after half an hour, you can then take anything else.
How much pills in the
These should be about 100 pills in one bottle. So we are talking about 4 pills per person for 1 month, right? So divide that comes to about 20. No, we're talking about 4 pills, 12 pills per person for 1 month. So because 4 pills a day for 3 days, so 12 pills. So 100 divided by 12, about 8 people. This should last for a family of 8. So if it's a family of 4, we can repeat this. This will last them for 2 months. Okay, and if in case corona is still prevalent, I will give you more medicine. Don't worry.
And if you have a pregnancy or delivery, somebody is on delivery basis or
So my own cousin sister has just delivered a baby girl 3 days ago,
okay.
and we gave her this medicine also during her pregnancy because we wanted. In fact, if you are pregnant, it's very important to keep your immunity up.
Okay.
So I would recommend it, but of course check with your doctor once before taking it.
If anyone wants it separately, can they get anywhere?
It's available in our clinic in Panjim and also our clinic in Madgaon. So we have a clinic in Panjim which is behind Hotel Mandovi, and it's on the first floor of Magnum Tower building. I think that's what it's called, and you can see the address on Google, and it's available there also for patients to take. In fact, we have given out about 1 crore doses. I sent Mr. Sarpanch a letter where we have also given out to 80,000 the same medicine to 80,000 families of the Maharashtra Police Force. So the IG of Maharashtra sent us a thank you letter for that. So we hope that we can keep them also healthy. Okay,
We may have some more need because
I will give you, no problem. No
They
problem.
do require.
Let me know whatever numbers I will send you. No problem. This is my village also, so I'm happy to.
very grateful for
Thank you.
I'm happy to contribute.
Some people are taking medicine before morning time, before breakfast. So this medicine and that medicine you can take some at the same time.
This has to be taken first thing in the morning when you wake up. First thing in the morning.
And after,
No brushing your teeth. Okay. Take it first thing in the morning. After half an hour, you can do anything.
means you have to take that another, like thyroid you are giving before the this one.
Before breakfast.
Before
Yeah.
the-
So you take
one
take this first. You wake up. Say your breakfast is at 9 o'clock.
9.
Okay. You take your thyroid medicine at 8:30. You take this any time before 8 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, and then you can give.
Then you can take any other medicine.
It's clearly mentioned on your
Yeah, all the instructions are there. You can even send this on WhatsApp to the people. It's a WhatsApp creative, so you can do that.
Sir, greediness means
Sorry?
there is no greediness involved.
Giddiness?
Any allergic
nothing.
reaction?
No allergic reaction at all. No giddiness, no allergic reaction at all. So like I said, we've given it to the Maharashtra Police Force, 80,000 police force people and their families. So we've given it out to lots of people so far. We've got very encouraging results and no side effects at all. So only one thing I hope, next time I can come to give anything to Panchayat, I should speak in Konkani, not in English. That is the only wish I have.
A small question is that there are different colors in that. So some people say I got pink, blue. Is there any code for it?
There's no code at all.
Only
It's just that at this point in time, honestly, availability of raw material is very difficult. So whatever we are getting, we are just accepting. It's only the bottle cover. Everything, the medicine inside is standard. It is the same across all. But it's difficult to get supplies at this time which are standardized. That's why the color of the caps are little different.
There is some people who fear red means strong.
No, very good
Green
point.
means light.
Very good point.
There is an expiry for this medicine.
There's no expiry. No expiry for this. Means 2 years, normally 2 to 3 years is the expiry. But before that, I'm sure the medicine will be consumed. So from that perspective, no expiry. You will start giving this tomorrow to people? कल से? Day after.
हांव सुभाष रावत, सरपंच ऑफ आल्दोना पंचायत. लोकांक सांगूंक सोदता कितें हालीं आमच्या आल्दोनान एटलिस्ट थोड्यो केसीस वाडलेल्यो आसा. तेज्या खातीर आमी एक आल्दोना पंचायत सगळ्या मेंबरांक घेवन एक डिसिजन घेतलेलें आहा कितें आमकां ह्यो इम्युनिटी बुस्टर टॅबलेट्स लोकांक दिवपा खातीर आमी एक आमचो डॉक्टर भद्रा, अक्षय भद्रा हेज्या कडेन तेणी म्हाका पयलींच सांगलेलें कितें आपूण एटलिस्ट तुज्या वॉर्डाक तरी दिता म्हणून. पूण हांवें ताका पर्सनली एप्रोच जालो तेज्या कडेन आनी ताका सांगलें पळय एकाच वॉर्डान दिवन फायदो ना, सद्दां इल्ल्यो केसी वाडलेल्यो आसा. तूं दिता जाल्यार एक रिक्वेस्ट केलो हांवें ताका कितें फूल आल्दोना खातीर दी. तेणी विथीन 5 मिनटांनी म्हाका सांगलें, मेसेज केली, आय एम रेडी टू गीव फॉर आय एम रेडी टू हेल्प आल्दोनकास. आनी तेणी आमकां आल्दोना खातीर तेणी कितले लोक अरावंड 13,000 लोक आसा तेंच्या खातीर तेणी अरावंड 3,500 बॉटल्स दिवपाक तो रेडी जालो. आनी तेणी विथीन तेणी एक्चुली म्हाका सांगलेलें 5-6 दीस लागतलो, पूण विथीन 3 days ही कॉल मी बॅक आनी सांगलें की ते ऑलरेडी पावलेले आसा, तूं कशें तें सांग. ते हिसपान ताका आमी आयज पंचायतीन सगळ्या मेंबरांक आमी कॉल केले आनी पंचायतीन सगळे मेंबर येयले आनी डॉक्टरूय कशें ती ऑलरेडी तेणी स्टॉक हाडलो आनी कशी दिवप आनी के सगळें स्पेसिफिकेशन तेणी ऑलरेडी सांगलेलें आसा. चडांत चड देव बरें करो म्हणटा अक्षय भद्रा, डॉक्टर अक्षय भद्रा.
इनिशिएटिव्ह कोणाची?
इनिशिएटीव एक्चुली पळय ही ह्युमिनिटी बुस्टर टॅबलेट्स आसा ती शॉर्ट आसा. म्हणजे थोड्या पंचायतींक ती मेळलेली आमच्या आल्दोना पंचायत म्हणजे आमकां सांगलेलें कितें ती मातशी शॉर्ट आसा म्हणून आमी एक बींग डॉक्टर भद्रा तेजे व्हडली क्लिनिक्स आहा आनी दे आर मॅन्युफॅक्चर. त्या खातीर तो म्हाजो नेबरूच तो किटलाच रावता आनी ताका हांवें एक प्रपोजल घातलो, बाबा अशें अशें आहा आमचे पंचायत मारूंक ना, लोक म्हाका फोन मारता कशें तुमी वांटूंक स्टार्ट केलें. तेन्ना हांवें ताका एक प्रपोजल घातलें आनी तेणी तें प्रपोजल म्हाजें मान्य केलें आनी म्हाका तेणी स्टॉक हाडून दिलो.
ओके. आणि आता डिस्ट्रीब्युशन कशें जातलें?
डिस्ट्रीब्युशन आयज फक्त आमी तेणी स्टॉक हाडून दिला, तेज्या कडसून आमी घेतला, एक्सेप्ट केला. डिस्ट्रीब्युशन सगळे 11 मेंबरांक डिस्ट्रीब्यूट जातले. तेंचे कितलीं घरां आसा कितें आसा तें सगळें डिस्कस करून तेज्या वांगडा आमी एक लिफलेट दितले. ते लोकांक पॅनीक जावपाची गरज ना, ती कशी घेवप कितें सगळें डिटेल तेजेर आसतलें.
ओके. आणि हे केन्ना डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करतले?
हे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट आमी फाल्यां सगळे 5 मेंबरांक आपयतले आनी मोर ऑर लेस परवासून आमी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करपाक स्टार्ट करतले.
त्याचे हेतू कितें डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करपाक तुमचे?
हेतू म्हटल्यार पळय लोकांक आतां मातशें पॅनीक जाल्लें आसा, कित्याक 2-1 केसी येयल्ल्यो आसा आनी ते वाडपाचे चान्स आसा. तेज्या लोकां खातीर कितें तरी इम्युनिटी वाडोवपा खातीर एक ही आमी इनिशिएटीव घेतलेली आसा थ्रू पंचायत. वो कोवीड जें आसा तें मातशें इम्युनिटी बुस्टर टॅबलेट्स घेतले मातशें पयस जावपाचे चान्सीस आसा म्हणून ते आमी इनिशिएटीव घेतलेली आसा. आनी ही घेतली पासून जाल्यार लोकांनी बिंदास भोंवपाची गरज ना. जे गव्हर्मेंट्स रुल्स आहा, मास्क घालप, मागीर सोशल डिस्टन्स तें सारकें बाळगोवपाची बाळगूंक जाय. सगळ्या लोकांनी आपले कशे कायदे आहा ते आपूण सांबाळून घेवपाक जाय.